Junior, it's time to do your presentation for the class, please. And please, no foolishness. Please, no foolishness. Do. Okay, miss. Hello, class. My name is Junior Samuels. I am doing a presentation on the three little pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who decided to build a house. One built house out of straw, one built out of sticks, and one built house out of
brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick. When me
Alright, stop the music. Me have to make a phone call. Hello? Yeah, this is Miss Williams. I'd like to collect my pension now. What you mean it too early to collect my pension? Listen here, me have one boy in my class named Junior and him a bad me. So either me go to Bellevue or you give me my pension. Pick one. Mommy, guess what happened at school today? What? Miss Williams go to Bellevue. Again? Why every single time your teacher go mad? Me no know you know, mommy. Me no know. You never know yet, Mr. Junior. You never know yet. You see any day me find out. You see any day when me find out. Find out what, mommy? You soon find out. Alright, Junior. Today is the first day of quarantine school. And me are the teacher. So me sorry for you. You ready? Yes, mommy, me ready. Alright, first question. What is the past tense of right? Well, mommy, the past tense of right is righted. What? What you just say? Righted? Junior, right is not even a word. How you mean it's not a word, mommy? And all the time you say people not write it, you ask me teacher not write it. You see, that's your problem. You talk too much. You talk too much. Anyway, next question. Okay, if me have 4 apple and master multiply it by 2, how much apple me have now? Mommy, you are got dead, mommy. You are got dead if you have that. Junior, what you talk about? You say you not take nothing from master as long as you live. So you must have got dead, mommy. You must have got dead if you multiply your apple them. Hold on then, Junior. Me soon come back. Where you go, mommy? Me, I go find a cure for this coronavirus. Cause me and you can't turn in here, you know. We can't turn in here. Somebody got to go. Our smell so frownsy. Junior, are you? No, mommy. Anna me. Junior, wait there. Lift up your hand. Wait there, Junior. Are you, man? You smell green. Go bathe. But, mommy, me say go bathe your nasty self. Little boy. In quick time. Junior, you done bathe already? Yes, mommy. A lie. Me have to go check your rag. Hold on there. Me gone for go feel your rag. Cause me can't believe you bathe so quick. Them picnic nowadays, man, them too general. Me tell you, them too general. Them looking at your face and tell you one bare face like. Wait there. Junior, how you say go bathe? And this a rag you dry like my front. Mommy! Mavis, stop going off the script. I tell you about this already. Awa, really? That too vulgar? Alright, rewind and come again. Let me do the line again. Junior, how you say you bathe? And this a rag you dry like me heel back. There, me say the line over again. Nice and better for no people will get upset and offended too quickly. Only need to stop it and take the stick out of uno. Junior, this is your cousin Joey, all the way from Farin.
Yeah, it's poppin', son. New York's finest cousin Joey on the blickety block, fam. Yeah.
Mommy, why am just say? Me no know you know, but you ain't gonna and play.
Yo, cuz, you got the new Xbox or the PS5? So we can play games?
Games? Oh, sometimes mommy give me a phone so me can play games on it.
Seriously, bro? You don't even have your own phone? I've been at my own phone since I was a youngin' saying goo goo gaga, son. Now I got the new iPhone, the Apple Watch, and the AirPods to match. Man on the block, they be calling me Apple Stove. When I be walking down the street, they be like, there go that boy, Apple Stove. And I be like, yeah.
Listen here, don't bother come show off on me. Come in a fighting for things.
Whatever, fam. So what your mom's cooking for dinner? I know. Hold on, bro. Don't tell me. Bulla beef.
What? You mean bully beef?
Yeah, that. Whatever you call that. Man, back home, my mom's cooks steak every night. As you can see, I be eating good, fam.
So go long back at your mama where you can yam steak.
What you say, fam?
Nothing, fam. You just chat too much.
Oh, you big man, huh? You look soft anyway, my dude.
Why for that?
Why what? Wait a minute, fam. Put that down. Hold up.
Pushing wing wing. Yarp, it's your boy Junior, aka Apple Store. Everything alright in here. Junior, why cousin Joey tie up? Mommy, we just a play one game. Oh, a one game. So why I want the whole of Joey sitting them? Mommy, you know sir, him give it to me. Him such a good cousin. Junior, it look like me band big. No, mommy. So if you plan for teeth for boy, why you never just tell me? Cause in chain look nice. Okay, class. Can anybody tell me what they want to be when they grow up? Me, miss. Anybody? Miss, me. Anybody? Pick me no miss. Anybody at all? Me, miss. Anybody? Miss, me. Okay. Yes, Junior. When me grow up, me want to be one superhero. Really, Junior? And why do you want to be a superhero? Because me think my father is a superhero. And why do you think your father is a superhero, Junior? Because mommy always a calling Wasteman, and me think that I am superhero name. Jesus Christ Almighty! Pitney! You know what? Me I can call your mother. No. Hello, Miss Mavis? Come get your son. Come, me can't bother. You have to come get him today. Because it's nothing but trouble. In quick time. Okay, Junior, that must be your mother. The door is open. Come in. Oh my gosh, I didn't know you was in a wheelchair. Yes, me in a wheelchair, cause having Junior was nothing but trouble. So me no need you to tell me say my son is nothing but trouble. No, Miss Mavis, me never mean it like that. Me no care how you did mean it, but you did mean it. Junior, come on, let's go. Mommy, where you get wheelchair from? I the lady where me work with wheelchair. Me did that to teach her one lesson. Oh, okay. And Junior, yes, mommy. You see me have to come down to your school again. You are gonna need a wheelchair. You hear me? Yes, mommy.